Namaste students. Let's start with our next form. Basically, it's the same what we did last. It is the second type of that. What was the first form? We did it 1 upon quadratic. Alright, dx upon quadratic. Now what do we have? It is linear upon quadratic. It is px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. Or you say a linear expression upon a quadratic. How to solve it? Now what is our target here? I'll pick up the numerator because I know how to solve 1 upon quadratic. We have done in the previous video. Clear? अब हमें 1 upon quadratic ये ना होता तो कोई problem नहीं है. I know how to solve it. So I have to do something of this कि या तो previous form के अंदर form हो जाए, convert हो जाए या कुछ ऐसा बन जाए जिसको मुझे solve करना आता हो. So there is a rule what you have to follow. You have to write the numerator as a unknown number whose value I have to find out into differentiation of denominator plus b. What I'll do? The numerator, this is the rule you have to follow. The numerator would be written as a into differentiation of denominator plus b. That means a into differentiation of this will be 2ax plus b. So that means my integral would be converted into, in place of px plus q, it will be where these a and b are constants. Alright, that we will come to know how to find out in example. Just a constant, and constant does not matter. Then split into two factors. This I'll segregate. And a being a constant, I can keep it even outside. Alright. Here b being a constant, I can keep outside. Now if you see this one, this is what you have done already. It is 1 upon quadratic. That we have done, we know how to solve it, and the complete same step what we did in the previous one. Now this is what? This is a differentiation of this term. And when we have a differentiation, what do? We just substitute. Ax plus b dx is equals to dt. What it will become? 1 by t dt. So what is integration of 1 by t? Log t. That means every question would be converted into a into log of, because we have made the differentiation on our own. हमने इसकी differentiation बनाई है खुद. हमने किया है उसको differentiate. तो हमेशा ऐसे ही आएगा. Pure differentiation and quadratic. Quadratic के ऊपर differentiation दे रखी होगी, उसे substitute करोगे तो 1 by t आएगा. 1 by t की इंटीग्रेशन क्या होती है? log t, and it will put the value of t. So it will be always like this. First part would be solved like this, and second I have already told you it is 1 upon quadratic, and you know how to solve it. Fine. And then the question, the complete steps which we did in the previous one would be repeated for this integration. Let's pick up example. I have to integrate 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Now correlate. It is a linear upon quadratic. The rule remains same what I have explained to you right now. I write numerator as a plus differentiation of denominator plus b. Okay? So what is the differentiation of this? It is 2 plus 6x. See, now I can't write in a and b only. That form we were doing the basics. A and b are the constants, but in the question there is no a and b. Answer cannot come in a and b. So I have to find the value of a and b. Very easy. A और b का value निकालने के लिए what I have to do? Compare some coefficients. either put the value of x, कुछ भी, and we have to find out. I'll say compare, say coefficient of x. I'm comparing coefficient of x both sides. What will happen? What is the coefficient of x here? 5. What is the coefficient of x here? A into 6. अब 6 मत लिख देना अकेला. Coefficient of x 6. पर ये a अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 2a plus 6ax हो जाएगा ना. तो coefficient of, alright, and here there is no x, so 5 is equals to 6a. So what is the value of a? 5/6. Alright. अब b निकालने के लिए क्या करें? b निकालने के लिए कांस्टेंट्स कंपेयर कर देते हैं. कंपेयर कांस्टेंट्स. Constants. What is the constant here? -2. What is the constant here? 2 into a. What is the constant? b. A का value already I have, so I will substitute. Bring a this side. So b is -11/3. We have got a, we have got b, so a is 5/6, b is -11/6. That means my this expression 5x minus 2 has become, put the value here, a दैट मीन्स 5x माइनस 2 को ऐसे, बेटा टारगेट सिर्फ ये है सॉल्व करना. हमने उसकी डिफरेंशिएशन करनी है. अगर मैं इसको पूरा सॉल्व करूँगा तो यही वापस आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज उसी को तो किया हमने सॉल्व. ऑलराइट, सो 5x माइनस 2 कैन बी रिटन एज 5/6, 2 plus 6x minus 11/3. टारगेट क्या था? कुछ ऐसी चीज में कन्वर्ट करना जिसको हम सॉल्व कर सकें. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? नाउ, so that means I'll come back, I'll put the value of 5x minus 2 here. It will be I told you to split, separate the integrals. Alright, this part. This is 1 upon quadratic. Shall I write it like this? 3x square plus 2x plus 1, doesn't matter, all plus, so order. What is this? Pure differentiation. Do by substitution or directly I'll write one rule there. So it will be and C1, see again I explained earlier also, if I have integrated this, I'll write C1 here, I'll write integrating C2, constant plus constant, ultimately it's going to be one constant. Fine. At 1, now we have to solve this along with it. This was a one portion. And one thing, just keep in mind, if suppose you have here integration f dash x अगर नीचे एक फंक्शन है उसके ऊपर एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन उसकी दे रखी है, डायरेक्टली यू कैन यूज log of f of x. Clear? If it is integration of f dash x upon f of x, exact integration, आप constant है, that can be outside. Exact differentiation दे रखी हो, तो you need not to show the substitution even. Directly you can write down log of 1 plus 2x plus 3x. Exact differentiation, children. डू नॉट कि कुछ माइनस प्लस का फर्क और डायरेक्टली लिख दो, द क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग. This I need not to explain, just I'll just complete the steps. What do I do? The coefficient of x square should be 1, so I'm taking this 3 out. Add and subtract. 2 by 3 half is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. Alright, the first 3 terms will become fine. It will be 6 by 9, 2 by 3. Alright, clear? So, we put x plus 1 by 3 is equals to some variable, and then further solve it as you have done in the previously. So this you are going to complete on your own. Alright children, so whenever you have linear upon quadratic, what do you have to do? What are the steps to be followed? The numerator would be written as, the linear part would be written as a into differentiation of the denominator plus b. Alright. Then you have to find the values of a and b. How we have to find the values of a and b? Either comparing the coefficients of x, comparing the constant terms. You found a and b. That means the numerator will be written like this. Put it here. Split into two integrals. One would be always the form f dash x upon f of x dx, which will be equals to log of f of x dx. And one would be 1 upon quadratic, which we have done in the previous video. How to solve 1 upon quadratic, you all know it very well. Now see what happens if we get such kind of questions. Like I have x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1. That means px upon a quadratic. Alright, where px is a polynomial greater than or equal to 2. The power is greater than or equals to 2. That means जो ऊपर दे रखा है, अभी हमने क्या किया, दो फॉर्म्स की, एक तो 1 upon quadratic किया, सेकंड लीनियर अपॉन क्वाड्रेटिक किया. लीनियर मींस द पावर 1 एंड नीचे 2 था. ठीक है, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन वी कॉल इट. फाइन. सो नाउ हियर या तो पावर इसके इक्वल अगर हो जाए, अगर यहाँ भी स्क्वायर है ऊपर भी स्क्वायर आ जाए, या बड़ी हो जाए, तो हमने उसमें क्या करना है. अब नाउ यू कांट जस्ट अप्लाई द फॉर्म. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगर यहाँ पावर सेम है या न्यूमरेटर में पावर बड़ी है, जब भी न्यूमरेटर में बड़ा होता है तो क्या करते हैं, अगर सपोज आई हैव 10 by 5, so we divide, no? So the simple, you have to divide. Is it clear? You have to divide. So first of all I am going to divide this. You know how to divide? Clear children? Or shall I divide and show you how to divide? One question, let's divide. If I have to divide, you all know it, but we are treating it you as kids that you don't know how to divide. Let's just a recapitulation. You have done it in your junior classes. In your class 10th you had a chapter. So I don't have to explain, I am just showing you how to divide. Alright, further can we divide? No, because the power of remainder is now lesser than our divisor, so we can't divide it further. लिखते कैसे हैं? That also you know it. How do we write it? क्या रूल था? क्या रूल किया अभी तक? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. ये किया था ना? अब हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Because आप already division में है. Clear? So what do I write? How do I write? It will be written as, this complete thing will be written as quotient, कैसे यहीं से ड्राइव कर लेते हैं, लेट्स ड्राइव इट। अब मैं अगर मैं ये क्या लिखा है ना, दिस इज माय डिविडेंड, दिस इज माय डिवाइजर। सो डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर लिखना है, डिवाइजर से डिवाइड कर दे, डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर आना चाहिए। तो यहाँ तो डिवाइजर ऑलरेडी है क्वोशिएंट, और डिवाइड किया तो यहाँ भी आ गया डिवाइजर। सो दैट मीन्स डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर, दिस इज डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर। कैसे लिखेंगे? डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर विल बी रिटन एज क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर, क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर। ये डी से डिवाइड कर दिया सब जगह, यहाँ डी था तो इट्स कैंसल्ड, सो आर अपॉन डिवाइजर। सो दैट मीन्स dividend upon divisor will be written as quotient. What is quotient? Plus remainder alright, that's it, split, simple integration. I'm just integrating it, x की integration x square by 2, 2 की integration 2x. Now this is left, ऑलराइट। अब ये तो हमने अभी किया है, अब साथ साथ चलाने की बेटा जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू मेक अ क्वेश्चन मेसी। इसको बिकॉज ये सपोज कैपिटल आई के साथ स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो फॉर टाइम बीइंग इसको मैं I1 का नाम दे करना, अलग से आई सॉल्व इट एंड देन आई पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ I1 हियर, दैट विल बी माय फाइनल आंसर, सो दैट द क्वेश्चन डू नॉट बिकम मेसी। इसको बार बार ये लिखना पड़ेगा हमें साथ साथ, ठीक है। तो माय टारगेट इज टू सॉल्व दिस I1 नाउ। I think I should not solve it. We have done the form right now. What is that? That is linear upon quadratic. Linear upon quadratic. Alright? So linear upon quadratic. Just again a recapitulation. What do? We write numerator as a into differentiation of denominator. What will the differentiation of denominator? 2x plus 1 plus b. We find the value of a. Compare coefficients of x, 3, that is 2a, so a is equals to 3 by 2. Compare constants, minus 1, a plus b, so b is minus 5 by 2. So that means 3x minus 1 will be written as 3 by 2, 2x plus 1 and minus 5 by 2. So my I1 will become 3 by 2 out. I am splitting it. You know how to do it now. This part separate. Alright, what is this? This is the form f dash x upon f of x. So what it will become? Log of f of x. What is f of x? X square plus 1 plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, and this is 1 upon quadratic, which you need to solve, and you know how to solve, and then when you will solve it, we will put back the value. After solving, put the value of I1 in equation 1. That will be my final answer. I hope children the forms are clear to you all. Clear which we have done? 1 upon quadratic, linear upon quadratic. But if a numerator has a power more than or equals to denominator, then first of all we have to divide, then only we can solve the question further.